your guide to studying in Finland. Learn how to secure top scholarships and your student visa for 2026. Dreaming of studying in Finland? Facing high tuition and visa steps can feel overwhelming, but there are practical solutions for every challenge. University-based scholarships offer partial or full tuition waivers to international students. Apply early and check each school's criteria carefully. Finland's government supports global talent with grants for bachelor's and master's students. Focus on your academic achievements when applying. Look for scholarships related to your study field. Many organizations fund international students in science, technology, or the arts. Start your Finnish student visa by gathering key documents: your university offer, passport, proof of funds, and application paperwork. Complete your visa application online. Double-check details for accuracy and submit any extra supporting documents requested by immigration. You must prove you have enough money to cover living expenses. Get recent bank statements officially stamped from your bank. Keep track of visa timelines. Apply at least 3 months before your studies begin to avoid last-minute stress. Save by choosing student housing options. Shared apartments and university dorms are much cheaper than private rentals in Finland. Get a student transport card for big transit discounts. Trains, buses, and trams in Finland are reliable and affordable with the right pass. Manage expenses with a clear weekly budget. Shop at budget-friendly markets and cook meals at home whenever you can. Write a strong, honest application letter. Clearly explain your goals and how studying in Finland fits your future plans. Avoid common mistakes by talking to current students or advisors. Ask for advice to make your application stronger and avoid delays. Your study adventure in Finland starts now. What will be your first step towards making it a reality?